Entrepreneurship is about doing good business, and good business means making good money. So, when does a good business owner become a leader? Is it with strong income flow in its business, or with diversified sources of income? Is it with perennial flow of royalty income? Think about it from a different angle. When do you become a leader? With prudent cost controls? Is it with having the best infrastructure, best team, and best capital in your business? Or with the return on investment being maximum for all the stakeholders? Do you believe that money makes more money? If yes, that is thought leadership, which we believe leads to wealth creation. If you want to know how the multi-millionaires are doing their wealth creation, please log on to www.zillionite.com. Zillionite, developing leaders, leading development.